Hi everyone, Peter here. So I just wanted to take a minute to give a quick video to address the handle issue after you put a power feed on your Y-axis. What I did, excuse me, I left off the extension piece that screws onto the end of the shaft, and it makes your handle and your shaft stick way out, like here, right? So what I did was I cut the brass piece, I shortened it, the gear, counterbored it, so this could get down inside just enough to engage the key, and then I made this nut. And what this does, because of this, it lets me use my Z-axis crank to adjust my Y-axis. And yeah, I know I could have made one, but you could buy a brand new one off eBay. 18 bucks plus $4.50 to ship it. You're not going to make one of those in like a half an hour. So anyway, that's what I did to put my Y-axis feed on. And then just an FYI, on this end, this machine originally, it had a power feed on the Bridgeport power feed, like the one that is in this thread someplace that somebody offered for the cost of shipping. Just keep in mind, if you do go to put that on a machine like this, it doesn't have that, that shaft has to be about this much longer. I actually have the shaft. Oh yeah, you're going to need, I don't know how much hardware is coming with it, but you'll need these two little, let me see if I can, you'll need these two little half keepers that it's part of mounting that Bridgeport drive setup. I think I've got the piece of shaft over here. I was doing some fitting. Where is it? One second. Yep, here it is. All right. So what happens? This is the piece, and it goes on like that. So if somebody wanted this piece of shaft, you could extend it, I think. I don't know how you'd go about making it permanent unless you wanted to weld it, but I'm sure it could be done, but this is what it ends up being. So, and I would have cut this, whisker longer so I could put this on. But unfortunately, the lead screw is big enough it wouldn't go up the spindle of my south bend. And my Clausen Colchester isn't in my shop yet, and I couldn't get to it to thread it. So I drilled and tapped for a 1/4-20. It just needs to hold this together. It's not anything big deal. But if somebody wanted this shaft, this piece of shaft, and those little split keepers, just let me know. For the price of postage, you can have it. And hopefully that gives you some ideas. But anyway, back to this. My plan is I have another one of these coming, and I may or may not just make a wheel like what I did for this fine feed. And it works. This works fine. It's not fancy. It's it's an aluminum hub, set screw, and then just these button heads, 1/4-inch, 1/4-20 button heads holding it on. So probably what I'm going to do down here. All right, hopefully that gives you some ideas. Talk to y'all later.